Alright, so here's a tutorial to Novo Moore's Anchor. This is not the exact same way Ali plays it. It's very similar. This is just a way that I figured out just playing on the piano and thought it sounded pretty similar to the song. So, start off, the left hand's going to be playing 5 different chords. Well, actually, I think it's more 4, but um, I think you only need to learn 4 different ones. So let's get started with the left hand. It's going to be D, A, D, D, G, D, B, F sharp, and B, and then back to A, E, G, D. So as the left hand goes through those 5, the right hand throughout the whole song is basically going to stay right here, A and D. So you're going to play through these 3 chords, or these 5 chords, I'm sorry, 3 times with the right hand, doing that with A and D. So that's how the song starts off. So it'll sound like this. Alright, so that's what it sounds like. You're going to want to do that 3 times after the first series. Then you can start singing along. So it's, you took the breath from my open mouth. You never knew how it broke me down. I went in circles somewhere else. Alright, for the next part of the song, we're going to use 3 of those same chords from the first 5. It's going to be B, F sharp, and B, A and D, G, D. So it's basically just the last 3 from those first 5 we learned. And it'll sound like this. And I hear a ship is coming in. And the right hand is going to be playing the same keys over here, A and D, except whenever you hit the first chord, with the left hand, on the right hand you're going to hit A, D, and F sharp. So it's going to be and I hear, and then when the second chord hits, it's going to be A, D, and E. A ship is coming. And then when the third chord hits, it's going to be A, D, B. In your tears, they're a sea for me to swim in. So it'll sound like this. And I hear the ship is coming. Your tears are a sea for me to swim in. Alright, so for the second half of the song, it's actually everything we just learned. You start over again from the beginning, those 5 chords. And what you do is, so you just play them over. And of course the right hand is A and D. You'll play that series 3 more times. And then the second part where it's just these 3 chords. And then of course what we learned on the right hand. So the song, it's just the same thing over and over. The first half and second half are exactly identical. So after you've played this portion near the end 4 times, you go right back to the beginning and you play these chords. You'll play that just once, that series just once. And then that's when this part of the song comes in. Anchor onto me, love. Anchor onto me, love. So you'll play that 4 times to finish the song. And then what I did to just add to it at the end, what I did is I came up on higher keys and played the same thing from the beginning, just a lot higher, obviously. So with the right hand, it'll just sound like this to finish the song. I'll go ahead and play through the last portion of the song.
And I hear a ship is coming. Your tears, they're a sea for me to swim in. And I hear the sun is coming. My dear, is it all we've ever been? Unto me, love. Anchor unto me, love. Anchor unto me, love. Anchor unto me.
Right, so that's it. It's actually really simple, just the same thing over and over. Once you learn the first part of the song, the rest should be really easy. You can refer to the other cover I'm about to post. It's a better angle. You can actually see the keyboard. I know on the original you could not see it. So that's it. So good luck.